most tax problems don't start with the IRS, right? They start with us. So
Yep.
long before the numbers ever hit the return, the real issues are already built into the structure or sometimes missing from it, right? So I've seen
Exactly.
it over and over again. High earners, business owners, and entrepreneurs who are working hard but flying blind. And I've heard you say
Yeah.
this so many times. So I want to like dive in and ask some questions and see how you structure and train, coach your clients on some of these things to make sure that they are set up for success.
Yeah, and this is a little bit different from obviously talking about tax strategies directly, but this is so critical, right? So
Mhm.
this should always be before you even start thinking about tax strategies is have you thought about, the mindset and all
Mhm.
these kind of things that we're going to talk about now?
Well, let's dive right in and tell me a little bit how you would explain talking about tax problems and
Mhm.
starting before the numbers do. What does that really mean? And what do
Yeah.
you have to say about that?
Absolutely. So most people think that tax problems happen at tax time, right? When the
Hmm.
return's being prepared. But the reality is that those problems start months and even years earlier. So, the real issues begin when someone's unclear about the life that they want to build for themselves, their roles in their business, the role in the business, that plays into that life, and then the habits that they need to be able to support to have that life.